Hi, today we're talking about course evaluation form. So if you want to evaluate any particular course and you want to track the responses from the users, you can use this particular form builder. So as you can see in this form, we have got certain information presented over here, which the respondents can fill in. And once all the responses have been filled in and they click on submit, the particular response will be captured onto the responses view. So how exactly this will work? First of all, click on share form and this will provide you the form link. Click on copy form link and expose this link to the particular user who is going to fill in this particular form. So as you can see, I have opened up this link in a new tab and you can simply fill out all these details. So I'm going to quickly randomly fill out some information over here and then we will see how this response gets captured. Okay. So I'm quickly filling in some of the details as and when it is coming, and finally we can click on submit, and as we click on submit you can see the response has been submitted, and if you go back to the responses view under course evaluation form, you will be able to see the response has been captured over here. So this is how a particular participant can fill in this course evaluation form and they can evaluate a particular course, and you can expose the particular link to the user and they can fill in the details. Obviously all the fields are entirely customizable and they can be modified as per your needs. So feel free to play around with all the settings. I also want to talk about a new tool, PDF Output, which helps you generate PDF documents in bulk. For this, it requires the need of a Google document, which is a source of template file that helps you generate the PDF document. And then you can provide a Google Sheet or a Notion database as the source of data, which can be replaced on the Google document to generate bulk PDFs. So do check out PDF output for this, and I've also added a video of how you can follow the invoicing system. So this helps you generate bulk invoices, and you can watch this entire video to understand how invoices are generated by using the exact workflow that I just described, and you can use an exact template for your own specific needs. So do check out PDF output for this. And if you have any questions or queries, reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I will be able to help you out with any of the questions or any of the issues that you might have. Thank you. Have a great day.